Dear pal, welcome to another episode of ABC Useful Tip. In this video, we're going to show you an interesting interactive game that you can use straight away in your lesson to entice students to be more interested in your subject or to be more engaged during your lesson. In this simple game of 3 stages, you can redesign to customize to your subject. We'll show you step by step in this video, and we'll also show you how you can download a copy of this ready-made game, which you will get a link at the end of the video. Do stay right tuned to the end. Alright, then we'll dive right in. To be first to be notified of future useful EdTech video, please remember to click subscribe at the bottom and also click the notification bell and give us a like and maybe some comments of how you can use it. Right, then we'll dive right in. It's a 3-point game, a web game which actually is designed with Google Slides, where you can make changes on your own to customize your questions into this game, where the student submit their learning. Alright, which this game is called Challenge to the Learning Summit. Okay, by passing through 3 points, 3 questions you can put into it, or 3 activities. Right, so it starts from challenge 1 in this case. So in challenge 1, in the web page, right, so the students, no matter where they click, they won't be able to get into anywhere, right, based on the design, right, except to click on the first spot of the activity, where in this case, because the numbering is there, it's pretty obvious that they should click on training camp. Alright, so they click on training camp, they will be directed to the next page, which is your question. Alright, you can design a question, you can design a link to a video or to anything that you want them to do or to study or to learn. Right, so in this case, if it's a question, they can answer the question based on a multiple choice, where if they were to click on the wrong answer, in this case it could be an English question, the candidates what the upcoming test to qualify for the audition, let's say they put this very obvious wrong answer, should has passed, it's a wrong grammar, they click on it, they'll be directed to a wrong answer page to click again to come back to the same question. Alright, so they click another wrong answer, they go back to the same page, and they come back to the same question until they hit the correct answer, have to pass. With that, they will be directed to this congratulation page and the page to go into challenge 2. Challenge 2 requires them to go into the second picture by clicking this one, number 2 here. Alright, they click on the second page, they go to the second question. Okay, this is designed for any subject. Okay, you can put any questions here. In this case, an example of a mathematics subject question, right, which is the longest. So they just have to click. Right, later I'll show you a link at the end of the video where you can actually be downloading your own copy of this blank activity, and I will show you how do you change the things, the questions and the pages in order to customize to your subject. Alright, so if they were to click to the wrong answer, they will direct to the try again page again, right, until they click on the correct answer, 0.3 kilometer. Alright, then they will be directed to challenge 3, alright, which is the final challenge for this particular activity, a simple one. Alright, so they click on the final challenge, which is the champion trophy. Click on it, they will be directed to the final question. Okay, same thing, it can also be customized into a science topic or question. Alright, okay, so sprain injuries too. Okay, so let's say they click on the wrong answer, again the try again page until they click the correct answer. At this point, I would like to introduce you that the format of this web game is in such a way that once you give the student the link, they can come into this activity, but anytime you make changes to it, it will be instantly changed to the student's version, but they need to click again. So let's say, for example, in this case, sprain injuries too, you may want to see, oh, there's a mistake here, and if you were to change the mistake, even if you have already given the student the link, they will see the change. So here we are in the editing format, alright, of this example. Alright, so if you were to go to the page that you want to make the change, I click here. Okay, this page, the sprain I want it to be singular throughout, so I will just highlight. Alright, and then I make the change. Sprain is an injury, and with this it will automatically be saved to the drive, and when you go back there to the page of the web activity. In this web activity page, and I get the student to click refresh here at the top panel. Alright, you will see that the answers or the changes is instantly updated. Sprain is an injury too. So this is the wonderful thing about this web-based activity, and I'll dive right in right now to go into how do you download a copy of your own, alright, and also to make the changes according to your need for your 3 questions, right? So stay tuned to the end and remember to get the link. Okay, so next we'll go straight into the steps. With the link that you get at the end of the video, alright, and you just have to click on a new Google page and then you paste the link, alright, it will be a shorter link, later you will see, alright, and then you just have to click enter. This page where you will be asked to make a copy, okay, so once you click on make a copy, you will get a copy of your own, alright, in your personal Google Drive, the challenge to the Learning Summit blank copy. Alright, just go ahead and click on make a copy. You will straight away open up into a page of Google Drive, a copy of the challenge, alright, and a blank form, alright, where there is no question. You're supposed to type in your own question and your own choices of answers, right? Just the first thing I'd like to advise you is to direct it or move it over to a folder that you want, because you will be just in a mess of all your Google Drive. So how do you move it? Alright, first is to click on this icon here. This is the folder icon. Where you click on it, it will direct you to move the folder that you want. Once you click it into the folder, alright, just click move here, or you can actually create a new folder, alright, challenge. Alright, then click on the tick. So now you're in the challenge folder, you click move here to confirm. Please remember to click move here, alright, otherwise it will still be in the original Google Drive. Alright, so move here. Alright, next thing to do is to change the title of the activity. You may want to keep to challenge to Learning Summit, alright, and then just change to the topic that you want at the end of the title, maybe science or English, alright, and then the next thing is to change the question. If you were to look at it, only the first page is available for the student to view from the beginning of the web activity, alright. The rest are not visible until they click the correct things, okay, to get into those pages. Okay, so you just need to go into the pages with the question numbers and then type in the question that you want. I repeat, so you click onto the page. Let's say page 2 is the question. Click on the page and then you go into the page and type here into your question, okay, in any question that you want. Alright, so the next thing will to change the answers in the 4 boxes, right? So you will to see this blank copy will already tell you this is the answer that you want. This is the correct answer where you're supposed to insert. Alright, so insert whatever correct answer it is. Alright, and then the other 3 just insert other non-correct answers. Right, remembering this is the one that you would like. If you were to use this several times and you would like to change the position of it, it's pretty simple. These are just boxes. Click on the box and you can move it somewhere else. Okay, so you can interchange the positions. Alright, so the next one will be to look for the second question. Alright, so move it to the position you want. Okay, so move it to go to the second question and type in the question, type in the possible answers, taking note correct answer. This is the box with the correct answer you should insert. Okay, so they're altogether 3 questions. Click to slide 8, alright, and you have the third question and the final question that you should insert the questions and answers. Alright, taking note, this will be a different box for the correct answer, and that top left hand corner, this is the one with the correct answer. The rest are not the correct answers, which will direct you to the click here to return page. Alright, only this box will direct you to the correct page, and the final result will be the congratulations page that the student will receive as an encouragement for completing your 3 questions in this activity. Right? Okay, now I'm going to show you with my example, alright, that I've shown you at the beginning. Okay, So this is the last question. When after they click the correct answer, they get into this congratulations page, right? How do you issue or give the students the link to this particular activity in a web format where they cannot actually see all the other blanks and they have to follow the rules of clicking the correct spots? Okay, this is the way. I'm going to show you step by step. First, you go to File at on this instruction panel. Click on File. Okay, go down to this Publish to Web. Click on that. Right, and then you will see here you can actually create a link for web-based. You can create a link or a format of the embedded type. Right, so the link is the preferred one, easier to give to your students. Right, so once you click on this link, you will be directed to activate it, because my example has already been created in terms of the link to the web. So I will give you another example where you will see how to activate it from the beginning. Alright, so this is the before activation of the web link. Right, you will see this page where there's a publish box here, orange box at the bottom. Alright, so once you click on publish, please do not click start automatically or restart. Alright, so that it will end at the final page. Right, so leave these two blank, unclick, and then you click on publish. Alright, confirm publishing. Clicking OK, you will come to this page where you will have the web link. Alright, so you just have to copy the web link, right click it, copy, and then issue this link to your students. So once the student get the link, alright, just click and paste onto a blank Google form. Alright, the link, or they click on the link that you can issue in the Google form, in the Google Classroom or in WhatsApp or in message. Right, they will be directed to this page and they enter. Right, it will go into that web link format, and they can straight away start the game. Alright, click on the right spot into the next question. Congratulations and thank you so much for watching this video to the end, and now this will be the link that you can use to download a copy of your own Challenge to the Learning Summit game. Alright, in a blank copy for you to customize to your lesson. I hope you enjoyed this video and find this video helpful, and please leave a comment for us at the bottom. Alright, how you can use this activity for enticing your students to participate in class, and I look forward to see you again. Take care.